Challenge 1. We're going to do this with no, I didn't want to do that. I want to do that. There we go. Just going to use Proteus. Don't get too close. Just spread them out and clear the base. Get back over here. Let's go clear this base. The easy way to do it. Just put them on aggressive. They'll attack what kills them. After that, they'll kill the rest of the base. Pretty easy, pretty quick. And we didn't get the tower. All right. That's a 1. Let's go kill a 2. See what kind of damage we got. 6 minutes. So before this next base is done, that will be repaired. In fact, while we're at it, we will bring the tune down here for our next one, Challenge 3. All right, Challenge 2, right here. Same thing. We're just going to use Dopplers. Bring in a tune of Dopplers, bring them back here a little bit. And put them on aggressive, and let's clear base 2. You'll get a little bit more damage, but by the time you get the other ones done, they repair themselves, so not a big deal. This is the quickest way to do it. You can get less damage, but this is the quickest way. I don't want to take forever to do these bases, so let's just clear them out. 8 Dopplers do their duty. Okay, we're done. We'll come back and get 3, send him home. See, these guys are done. 16 minutes, not much. All right. Now we will do Challenge 3. We're just going to use Proteus. Okay, that's not on. Good. The key to winning this base is keep Proteus moving. Keep Proteus moving. Proteus will seek out the things that are killing him. All right, that's it. Now, we just put it on Ruby and kill the base. Sometimes he flies away to kill other stuff, so I don't want to have to come back. All right. This base is over and done. Just a few minutes repair, and that's how easy it is. Just got to kill a few spiders, and the base is over. Got it. So let's see how much damage you got. It's going to take a minute, so it's going to take a little bit of time to get there. Turn the video off if you want. Or you can see he'll get probably about 7 minutes damage, but it's different every time. 14 minutes. These guys will be ready to go next time I need them. You can fast forward it to when this guy arrives. When he arrives, we'll see how much damage he got. And not much. You can sing to yourself. You can do a little dance while you're waiting. You can turn the video off if you want. Pretty easy event. There we go. 3 minutes. So instant repair. Okay, that was it.